Today we're looking at the best Kodi add-ons you can use without Real Debrid. Samsung TV Plus is a great free option, offering ad-supported live channels and on-demand content. It provides a simple way to enjoy entertainment without needing a Real Debrid account or complicated setup. Plex is a great option for watching movies, TV shows, live TV, and your personal media library. It offers a clean and easy-to-use interface, making it simple to browse and find content, making it a convenient choice for users who want a straightforward setup. YouTube is another reliable option for officially available movies, documentaries, shows, and live content. It works without Real Debrid and is easy to set up and use on Kodi. The overall winner is YouTube, because it offers a familiar interface, reliable access to officially available content, and works without requiring Real Debrid. It's also easy to use across different devices and is a great choice for everyday streaming. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.